Welcome to the Rested Garden Homestead. It's December 22nd, 13 degrees out. My garden's frozen. It's asleep for the winter. Every year I teach people how to grow food. Why not create a New Year's resolution that you can be successful with, but also have a healthier way of life, enjoy it, share with family and friends. So why not learn how to grow food? And that's something I can help teach you how to do. Just subscribe, follow me. I'll teach you how to start a garden from nothing and grow just about anything you can think of. The most important thing for a New Year's resolution, I think, is to create something that you're going to learn, your life is going to be better, but also that you can achieve and be successful with. I start in January, how to start seeds indoors, how to grow transplants, or we can just kind of skip out into the garden in March, and I'll teach you how to build a garden and plant all kinds of different crops. Gardening and growing food can help you do both of those things. Be successful with your New Year's resolution, but also give you a better quality of life. Now, everything again is frozen, put to sleep for the winter, but let me just show you some ideas, things that you can think about, and maybe create a resolution or goals you can have for 2025 where you can be successful and have a better quality and a more healthy lifestyle. Now, this is a really large garden. If you make your resolution or you make your goals for 2025 to grow something or build something this big and grow in something this big, you're probably not going to be successful. What I've done in my garden, it's a teaching garden. And you can start small. You can start with just containers, something like this, and you can grow all kinds of stuff, and that could be your goal. You can create raised beds, something like that. So what I'm suggesting is maybe you make the goal simple. Maybe the resolution is that you want to learn how to grow food. I'll teach you how to do that. Or maybe you want to lose weight by growing your own food. Or maybe you want to be more self-reliant and you want to grow food. All those things you can achieve by simply saying, hey, I want to build a garden for 2025. I want to eat healthier. I want to share the food with family and friends. The designs can be anything, 4 feet by 8 feet. You could just have one bed, which I would recommend. Maybe to get started, you just want to start with something rectangular like this, 4 feet by 8 feet. If you want to get a little bit bigger, you can add in a 4 foot by 4 foot raised bed and, build from there. But you don't have to start this large. And in fact, you don't even need to build the raised beds, or you don't need to spend money buying different kinds of frames. You can start with something that's much more simpler, and it's just built right out of the earth. It can be something that just comes out of the ground. That's how people were doing it for thousands of years, and I can teach you how to do that. There were peppers in here. This will be all alive with peppers, artichokes, potatoes, tomato plants, all kinds of different things. I think this space is about 14 feet by 18 feet. Something like this is plenty for a family of 4. You can get started and you can really learn how to grow food and kind of create a healthier lifestyle. Behind me is my fruit garden. I have blueberry bushes, 16 of them, blackberries, and I have some fruit trees over there over my shoulder. Maybe you don't want to grow vegetables. You could grow flowers, you could grow herbs, you could start a fruit garden, you could grow blueberries. There's all kinds of different things that you can grow. Again, subscribe, and for 2025, I'll teach you how to grow food, reach and achieve a New Year's resolution. Most of all, have a healthier lifestyle, share this with family and friends, and just have a good time. So what do you do for a resolution if you've had a garden for years? Well, maybe you learn how to start seeds indoors. I can teach you how to do that. You can also grow transplants to give away to people. That's a great resolution. You can grow more food, donate to shelters, to soup kitchens. You can even teach people in your neighborhood how to grow food. Maybe help somebody build a garden and teach them what you've already learned. There's so much you can do, under the umbrella of vegetable gardening and gardening, that you can not only have a New Year's resolution that you can achieve, but I think you can make your community a better place, and you can share your knowledge with family, friends, and neighbors. You could add to your goal composting, save the landfills, put all your leaves, grass clippings into something where it will break down over a year's time or so, and you can just use that to feed your garden. And it's basic composting. I can teach you how to do that. You don't need anything elaborate like this. We can spin over here past the tractor mower. This is a great way to compost. You just set up a pen. It's 4 feet by 4 feet. Fill it with leaves. Over behind this one where I have pine needles and leaves and grass clippings, this is all my garden debris. Nothing fancy, but you can learn how to compost, and you can help, improve the environment by decaying everything right in the pen and then using that in your garden. This is another smaller garden. I think this one might be 16 feet by 16 feet. Couple of different raised beds in here, 4 feet by 4 feet, 4 feet by 6 feet, another 2 4 feet by 4 feet, and then some fabric pots. You can grow just about anything you can think of in here. And again, this is perfect for a family of 2, family of 4. But you can get started with a very small footprint, and you can learn how to grow food and again have that healthier lifestyle and achieve your New Year's resolution. Maybe you don't have a lot of land, no worries. You can grow vertically in vertical towers, you can grow in containers, you can grow on small decks, patios. It doesn't have to be elaborate, but you can begin the journey on learning how to grow food in, again, raised beds, vertical towers, smaller containers. Just get started and make that your New Year's resolution. Just begin to learn how to grow food and have a garden. Every year I start my channel over, so to speak. I start growing seeds indoors for transplants outdoors, and I teach people how to direct seed outdoors, grow transplants, battle pests and disease, tend the garden, harvest, even cook. So if you're thinking about, a resolution that you can achieve, you're interested in a healthier lifestyle, give gardening a chance, and please give me a chance and subscribe. Thanks for watching.